Hi, in front of me is cat S61, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this cat device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System, Languages and Input, Surface click, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here, go into Text Correction, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection option. As you can see, autocorrection is now turned off. You can easily turn it back on by tapping at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!